Hello, dear friends. Is it possible that AI will become conscious? AI, AI generate consciousness. Is it possible that there comes emotions in AI, artificial intelligence? What do you need for consciousness? If we just say about the research, just we have researched so far. So for consciousness, we need neurons. For consciousness, we need this brain, which is biological unit, which is biological, which is organic, and certain chemical reactions occurs in neurons. And if we talk about the yogis, spiritual peoples, they say that consciousness is even beyond this material brain, material mind. Consciousness is that which instructs the mind, and then mind instructs the brain. And what we need for emotions, fear, shyness, jealousy, anger, aggression, what we need for this, we need for this certain neurotransmitters like dopamine, endorphin, serotonin. And for the flow of these, we need neurons vessels, which is again very biological. We can make in lab certain neurotransmitters, but how will we make the system of neurons, that biological system, that biological unit? So for the consciousness to exist, even we humans itself don't understand consciousness. We have so many researched, we don't have any particular definition of consciousness, because conscious is not consciousness is not that objective. It's beyond subjectivity and objectivity, consciousness. So humans even now couldn't understand the consciousness, and we will generate the consciousness in robots, in AI. Just think, is it not just the sensational story to bring this AI in limelight for the business? So a human being, a human being is someone who is mindful of, who is aware of, who has understanding of right and wrong, who has insight, intuition, gut feelings, the heart's voice. But AI will be programmed. Humans can think out of the box, but AI will think what it has been programmed. Humans can think out of the box. You can teach humans, you can teach moral values to the humans. Humans have helpful nature, but AI will do according to the what the humans, what scientists have programmed and conditioned in them. It may mimic the consciousness if we do more and more research and upgrade more and more AI. It can mimic certain things, but for consciousness to exist, we need we need particular system of neurons. We need particular system of certain hormones, neurotransmitters, certain chemical reactions, which is life. So what's your take on it? Comment below. Thank you very much.